Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I would like to say Dia Duit and Falcha. Those are Irish words. Dia Goit means hello and Falcha means welcome. Hello and welcome. I'm glad you came to see me today because I have a lot of cool things to share with you. First, we're going to be reading a story, then I'll teach you a craft, and then I'll teach you one more word from the Irish language. But first, let's get into the book. Ready? Fionn was traveling to Tara to join the Great Fianna. The road to Tara was busy with people arriving for the great festival of Samhain. Fionn arrived in time for the feast, but there was no seat for him in the banqueting hall. "Who are you?" the High King asked. "I don't recognize you. Tell me your name." "I am Fionn, the son of Cúil," said the young man. There was silence in the great hall. All eyes were on Gol Mac Morna, the man who had killed Fionn's father, Cúil. The king spoke. "You are the son of a friend, and you are welcome to my feast." He put Fionn next to his own sons, and the feast began. During the feast, the High King spoke. For the past 9 years, Tara has been visited on the festival of Samhain by an evil spirit. This spirit appears in the form of a fire-breathing dragon, which causes great damage. My magicians are powerless. Many warriors have tried to kill it, but have all failed. "Is there anyone among you who will save Tara?" the High King asked. No one spoke. Fionn stood up. "What reward will be given to the person who is successful?" he asked. "I will grant you whatever you want," replied the king. "In that case, I will defend Tara from the evil spirit," said Fionn. Fionn walked to the outer walls of the city. The sky was dark, and there was no sound to be heard. The people were gathered safely inside the walls. Fionn heard footsteps. "Who goes there?" he called. "I am a friend," came the reply. "I was a friend of your father's, and I have come to repay a favor your father did for me. As you know, when the dragon approaches, he plays sweet music. Anyone who hears this music falls asleep at once. Take this magic spear and, as soon as the music begins, press it against your forehead, and the music will have no power over you. I must hurry away now." Fionn was left alone. From the darkness came a low, sweet sound. It was the magic music of the fairy world. Immediately, Fionn put the spear to his forehead, and although the people of Tara fell into a deep sleep, Fionn remained awake. The dragon breathed a long blue flame. Fionn aimed and fired the spear. The dragon fell dead on the spot. Fionn cut off its head. "What is your wish?" the High King asked. "I ask to be the leader of Fianna, as my father was," replied the proud hero. The High King agreed. "You have a choice to make," the High King said to Gol Mac Morna. "You can accept Fionn as your leader, or you must leave Ireland." Gol thought for a while and then spoke to Fionn. "Here is my hand. I will gladly serve you." Once Gol Mac Morna had submitted, the other warriors of the Fianna followed. So Fionn became their leader, as his father before him had been. I hope you enjoyed learning all about Fionn and his adventures. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make a craft. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. I hope you enjoyed the craft, and if you did end up making it, you can have an adult help share it with us on social media or by emailing it to us at info@irishchicago.org. Before you go, I want to teach you one more word from the Irish language, and it's rí. Rí means king in Irish. Can you say it with me? Rí. Very good. Do you remember the words we learned at the beginning of the episode? Dia duit means hello, and Falcha means welcome. Very good. Now it's time for me to say slán, or goodbye. Slán, see you next time.